Just a week ago, OPPO announced their new mid-range flagships, the OPPO Reno 16 and OPPO Reno 16 Pro in China only. But they are coming globally soon. So today we do a quick review of the OPPO Reno 16 and we will cover the 16 Pro in the next video. So this is the OPPO Reno 16 and it's industry's first ever 3D ice transparent suspension craftsmanship. It's not an optical illusion, there is a literal 3-dimensional planet floating under your fingers. Combined with the seamless fluid cloud double mirror camera design, this is not just a phone, it's a wearable piece of art. Tired of massive brick-like phones, the Reno 16 brings back the joy of comfort with a precise 6.32 inches small flat display surrounded by a premium metal frame and symmetric razor-thin bezels. It gives you an immersive 1.5K LTPO view that you can easily control with a single hand, no more finger fatigue. Don't let the slim body fool you, the camera specs are wild. It packs a giant 200 megapixel ultra-clear main sensor paired with a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. Powered by the natural tone engine, it turns your live photos into a playground, letting you add custom stickers and graffiti to freeze your exact vibe. Under the hood, it debuts the MediaTek Dimensity 8550 super flagship processor and supports blazing fast 80-watt flash charging. And it's built like a tank, featuring 360-degree drop resistant and top-tier IP66, IP68, IP69 and IP69K waterproof ratings. Need to take notes? Just press the physical AI button to instantly grab and organize screen content. Need the perfect selfie? Snap on the ultimate tech accessory, the magnetic OPPO Bubble Screen. It works as a live widget display and high definition mirror. So you can use that massive 200 megapixel rear camera for your selfies. Right now in China, it's starting at just 3,499 RMB, and when it launches globally, we are expecting it to land between 50 to 55,000 rupees in India. So yes, this is it from my perspective. If you want to see how the Pro version matches up, make sure to hit that subscribe button because the Reno 16 Pro video is coming up next. See ya in the next one.